too dope, kid.
Yeah, you guys already know what the dealio is and Emilio is tonight, guys. Well, today is gonna be a wild one because there's a car meet and your boy is gonna be trying his possible best chance to go to the meet for you guys. It's gonna be all the way in Orange County. Let's get it. Let's give you guys the freaking cold start. I know you guys love to hear on the Scat Pack. And this will not be here no more. There's actually gonna be a new banner. I don't know if I should do a white banner with blue letters or a blue banner with white letters. You guys gonna be able to see that soon today if my Decal Connect replies. Let's get that cold started. I know you guys haven't heard her in a while. Let's hear her. Ooh, look at that ass. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let her warm up right now. She is going to need an oil change soon, so I gotta take her to the oil change shop. Because right now, I used to go to Valvoline, but I'm gonna go to a different place. I'm probably gonna go to Dodge dealership to get the freaking oil change. Hopefully they don't say nothing about my cold air intake though, because I heard that that ruins the warranty. I don't know. But stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a crazy one. You guys already know what the deal is. I'm gonna take her to the wash right now. I'm actually gonna go meet up with my homie Angel. He's right here where I live. I'm gonna take this shit to the wash, and you guys already know the deal is. Stay tuned, because later it's gonna be a crazy one. Let's get it. Hell yeah, I do not know how much freaking battery I have left on my GoPro, guys, but I know I haven't came out with a banger. I haven't vlogged out for you guys, but your boy hasn't really been doing nothing no more. Hasn't really been going out. There is a car meet tonight. Possibly I might go to it, guys. I'm not sure. If I don't go to it, well, you guys already know what today's video is about. Let's get it. You guys see it right there. That is going bye-bye. I am getting rid of that pink banner, guys. I thought about it for a moment. I'm like, you know what? I miss having the banners in front of my car. I don't know if you guys remember with the G35. Remember I had like a black banner, a red banner, and I said my YouTube logo on the top. I said YouTube Rob 3.5G. Who's Rob? Well, I'm going to get rid of those pink letters right now, guys. I'll be removing them with a little metal blade, and then I'll be cleaning up the axis of the windshield, and I'll be installing the brand new freaking visor, guys. I was going to get a blue visor with white letters that says Who's Rob with the YouTube logo, but I decided to get a white banner with blue letters that say Who's Rob. You guys are going to see it right now. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I think it's going to really make the front of the car and everything look so aggressive. It's going to really bring it up a lot. It's going to pop out the vehicle. It's going to add a good touch to it. But I do want to make these white right here, the little intakes in the front. I do want to make them white. I might do that shit later on, guys. I have to take those little plastic things apart, but I will be adding those white little, they're like for air, right? They're air holes, so cold air can come in when the vehicle gets hot. So that's a cool little add-on that Dodge added for the actual Scat Pack. You guys already see it, but I'll be adding white. I'll be adding white right there sooner or later. I have to get on top of that, guys. I've been really lazy because when I come back from work, your boy's hella lazy, but I have to install that banner right now. I'm gonna clean it up. It's gonna be a slight work, but you guys are gonna see it. Look, this is the color I got, guys. Let's get it. Oh, shout out to Vinyl Hub for this Instagram right here. You guys see it right here. He makes badass decals. These decals are all from Vinyl Hub. You guys already know. Put his at right here. If you guys ever need any vinyls in the IE, the Inland Empire, any vinyls, decals, any sort of stickers, any type of thing, I'll be putting this at right here. Vinyl Hub. Vinyl Hub. Let's get it, y'all. Vinyl Hub, you're the best. I love you, bro. I know you see me right there. I know you see me. I've been lagging on my YouTube channel, guys. But Vinyl Hub, he's the man, guys. You guys already know. This is going to be by Vinyl Hub as well, guys. He made this front sticker. If you guys need any decals, he's the man. He's the plug. He got you guys. Hit him up. But let's show you guys the decals, because I know you guys want to see how they're going to look. Look at, guys. Let's get it. Oh, he made these too. Look at Sig Vinyl Hub. That's right, bro. Stay on your grind, man. Stay on your hustle. Let's go inside the back. You guys already see it. Always has to be clean. Always has to be clean. I just vacuum her up. Put a new scent in her. The louvers. Hell yeah. You guys see the louvers right there. So look at, this is a sticker that I got, guys. The Who's Rob. Who's Rob? Who's Rob? See, it doesn't really match with the color of the car, the paint of the color of the car, guys. It's like a lighter blue. This is like a darker blue. That's like a lighter blue. Vinyl Hub said he had one more closer to the color of the car, but I didn't really see them that good, so I thought this was like close to the color of the car. But oh well, I'll be changing the front banner later on, making it look better. You guys see it right there though, and this is the white banner. It's gonna be sexy, guys. Vinyl Hub knows me so good. I love you, Vinyl Hub. He told me, he's like, I know your ass is gonna freaking end up putting a big ass visor in the front, knowing you. And I told him that I didn't want a big ass visor in the front. So look, you guys, I told him I wanted a little one. I wanted one like partly up to here because the cops are annoying and they always get you for the stupidest reasons, and they're gonna be complaining because it is gonna bring out the car more. I already get enough attention as it is from the police. Now with this freaking visor in the front, it's gonna bring more attention. But you guys already know I'm gonna have to full send it. I'm gonna full send it, guys. I'm gonna put a big ass visor like that. I don't care. It's gonna be all the way down here, so I can cover the sun from coming in the car, and it's really gonna make the limo tint look even darker inside. I know I'm a rebel. I know I'm crazy, guys, but hey, you know it is what it is. I might take the car for a wash right now too as soon as I put those decals on. But enough. So as y'all can see, I'm using this little metal scraper blade, whatever thingy majiggy it is. Energizer, hell yeah. Energizer, it says equalizer, y'all. I'm going crazy as hell. All right, guys, so I have my rag right here, and I just basically put some glass cleaner from Armor All, the best, the majigga jiggers. All right, y'all, and we put it on top of the windshield right here. It puts a lot of that glass cleaner, as y'all can see over there. And basically, oh, I need more glass cleaner right here. That's just so it won't scratch your glass, guys. You want to make sure you do that so you don't scratch your glass whenever you're removing any decals from a windshield. That's just something I personally do just to not risk scratching the windshield. But let's get it, y'all. This is crazy. It's crazy because when decals stay underneath of a windshield or anything, they stay stuck for a while. Look at, guys, I'm gonna clean it right here. I'm gonna clean the residue from the letter B, and you're gonna be able to see that it's still on the windshield. Look, see? I don't know if you guys see the letter B. It's still on the windshield. The actual freaking sticker is still on the windshield right there, like the residue, the mark from where the sticker was at. But guys, enough of me talking. Let's get rid of all these freaking decals right now. And I'll resume the vlog now, guys, once I have that banner up there and see how she looks beautifully with the letterings on top. Let's get it. Hell yeah, you got the poppers helping me out. You guys already see it live in action right here. So what I did was I just applied a lot of glass cleaner underneath of the actual vinyl and on the windshield, and it's gonna look nice, guys. I would just have to wait it out, dry it out. I'm gonna get the heat gunner now and dry out the actual vinyl so the adhesive underneath, which is the glass cleaner, can get dry because you don't want it wet. So basically, I'm just getting this for wrapping cars right here, guys. It's like a little debit card. You can say a little card with the microfiber soft underneath of it. That way it won't scratch your vehicle or the glass at all. Just going up and down like this, taking out all the actual water inside of the glass. And we're just applying this like that firmly on the edges so it can stay nice and firm. You guys see it live in action right here too. You guys gotta get all the creases, the edges really good, so you guys can make sure everything goes good. But this new freaking banner, guys, shout out to Vinyl. I'll put it here once again. If you guys need any vinyls, any decals in the IE, put his eye right here. He's really good at what he does. Sells really good products, guys, and you know, he's just amazing, guys. Like, this is gonna change up the car a lot. We stopped to cut a little bit of it. Look how it looks already right there. Damn, with the actual, that's gonna look sexy as hell, guys. My dad right here leaving all the air. Sick, man. But you guys already know what the dealio is in Emilio. Stay how tuned for all this shit. It's gonna be a banger right now. Once it's all ready, guys. See, I'm just getting all the access of it and taking out all the air bubbles, making sure there's no more air bubbles right here at all. But stay tuned, guys. I'll show you guys how it looks when the actual letterings and everything's cut up. Let's get it. It's gonna look amazing. All right, guys, so here's how that final look came out, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think. Yes, there's air bubbles. Yes, it's not straight enough, but I will be removing this banner later on and putting a new color onto it, guys. It's just a little look right now, a little taste of it, just to see how it looked, a little thought. And maybe later on I'll go the opposite way around, blue and white letters. It'll probably pop out more like that. But right now I decided to go white because I already have the white lines on top, the white stripes with the white banner, so it looks okay. My dad helped me out, but I laid down the actual letters on top of the banner too early by accident, and I had to put it how it was, so came out kind of cricket. Who's looks straight, but then Rob at the bottom starts going kind of down, like a little downhill. But it is what it is. My OCD is killing me right there, guys, but it still looks okay. Later on I will remove this actual visor and the stickers, and I will be installing a new one, take this all off and put something better, guys. It's just you know, just for looks for now. It's just to see how it looks, a little different trial for the car, to try to give it a different look. But other than that, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. The visor looks okay, it's installed correctly. I'm about to go wash the car now, guys, because I might be going to a car meet tonight, but I will be removing this banner later on, guys, and installing a new one. Maybe I'll go with the blue and white letterings. But yeah, you guys can see there's a lot of little air bubbles on the actual letters, but it is what it is. Let me know what you guys think about the banner. I think it really does change up the car a lot, and it gives it more of an aggressive look to it. Look at it, guys. I think it just gives it more of a final touch, as y'all can see. I think it's okay. Shout out to Von Hub right here. Put it out right there, guys. So later on I will be making sure I will install it better next time, guys. A different color banner and a different letterings, and this time I'll do everything straight and not like that cricket, guys. You can't really tell, but just knowing me, my LCD is just like, look it. You can see it a little bit, guys, a little bit. It's kind of more to the right at the bottom. It's going downhill, but I mean, it is what it is, guys. Stay the hell tuned for all. You guys already know what the dealio is and the milio is. Stay tuned, y'all. What is up in the dealio and the milio? This is the end of today's vlog, guys. Remember, before this video actually ends, smash that like button, comment in the comment section below. If you are new to the family, please hit that subscribe button on the right hand corner. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you guys will not miss a single banger, because your boy is dropping videos every single, I was about to say damn day, but it's not like that no more, guys. I'll be dropping a video the best I could once a week, guys. Once a week. Stay the hell tuned for all that shit, because you guys already know how your boy does it. I appreciate all love and support. Peace out, y'all. Stay tuned for the rest. Remember where I started, y'all.